If you are scripting, designing UIs, or building maps in Roblox Studio right now, please stop. The era where a solo developer could build a unique game from scratch and hit the front page is officially over. The crash of indie creators is already here, and the platform we once knew is slowly dying. It is not because your skills are bad. The corporation has simply closed the door of newcomers. They quietly rolled out brutal hidden rules that destroy new projects before they even launch. Today, making your own game without $1 million marketing budget is almost impossible. This is a massive algorithmic conspiracy against small creators, and here is the hard proofs. Let's start with the newest update that completely suffocated the indie community. Roblox quietly changed the age restriction rules. Now, the moment you publish a brand new game, it automatically gets flagged as unsafe by default and slapped with a restricted rating. The algorithms literally hide it, and you do not have the right to lower the rating to reach a wider audience until your game magically hits 500 actively unique users. No exceptions. Now think about how absurd this is. To get impressions from the algorithm, you need to leave the restrictions. But to leave the restrictions, you already need 500 active players. It's a textbook catch-22. Unless you have thousands of dollars to dump into paid Roblox ads on day one, your game is born dead in a ghost room. It's the perfect tool to wipe out organic growth for beginners. Why did this happen? Because the Roblox algorithm is completely broken. Look at the front page right now. You won't find deep games with advanced code or unique art design. Instead, you are flooded with endless copy-paste or pure brain rot. Simulators where the entire gameplay means standing completely still and watching a digital slot machine roll for random shiny colors. Think about it. The platform doesn't care about your masterpieces anymore. It wants quick dopamine traps for kids that generate instant profit. If you spend months writing advanced systems, custom animation, clean interfaces, the system will ignore you. Roblox has turned from a creative sandbox into a giant digital casino for children. But the road goes even deeper, straight into the source code. We have entered the era of the AI copy-paste plague. Today, half of the developers on the platform don't even know how to write a simple script. They just spam AI prompts, blindly copy-paste the code into Roblox Studio and pray that it works. This has completely killed the soul and individuality of indie gaming. When everyone uses the same AI models, every game starts to feel exactly the same. No unique logic, no clever solution, just generic repetitive code. And the worst part, AI doesn't understand optimization. It generates massive, bloated scripts filled with hidden bugs and memory leaks. The front page is now flooded with unoptimized, lagging trash that crashes after 10 minutes of gameplay. Real engineering is being replaced by lazy prompts, and it's destroying the craft. But let's say you survived this hell. You found the money for ads, bypassed the 500 player trap, and your game actually blew up. You think you're getting rewarded? Welcome to the worst financial contract in the history of tech. Steam takes a 30% cut, Epic Games takes 12%, Roblox? When you cash out your hard-earned money through DevX, they take a 70%. They leave you with a pathetic 30 cents out of every dollar you made. The corporation hides behind server costs, but the truth is simple: pure corporate greed. Under this condition, it is mathematically impossible for a solo indie creator to scale up into a real, independent gaming studio. They are just milking you dry. Of course, Roblox as a multi-billion-dollar platform isn't going anywhere. There will always be millions of players. But the era of Roblox as a dream launchpad for passionate indie developers is done. Building a successful game here completely on your own has become an almost impossible mission. But what do you think? Is it actually possible to break through this 500-player trap today? Or is it time for indie devs to pack up and move to engines like Unity or Unreal? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I really want to read them.